Is it possible to get a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, new construction home in a new community at around $400,000? Well, the answer is yes, and stay tuned as I introduce you to DR Horton's Cali Model. My passion is working with buyers and sellers here in Southwest Florida. Reach out to me today at 239-450-5786 and let's discuss your goals for 2025. And while you're at it, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell to be notified about my future videos. The Cali Model is one of DR Horton's best sellers inside communities and outside of communities. This home meets the needs of a lot of Southwest Florida families. Both space and affordable budget makes it a perfect option for you today. Let's take a look at the Cali Model. Okay, now since this is the sales model, you will notice that some of the bedrooms are being used as offices, but 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. And in a finished home, this bathroom will be a full bathroom. The shower will be where the toilet is now. The toilet will be moved and it'll be a functional full bathroom. And like many of the models here at DR Horton, the primary suites walk-in closet is very spacious. Well, there you have your tour of the Cali Model. Call me today at 239-450-5786 and let's start the conversation of whether this is the best fit for your family in 2025.